Side molding can protect your car on the parking at the grocery store, not only as decorative function. But today we're talking about windshield molding. Patrick's garage. Side moldings made of stainless steel. And I polished these side moldings some years ago. Now I starting thinking about installation of windshield molding. A rear window fixed with rubber seal and wrap-in molding from aluminum. So rear window molding made out from aluminum, side moldings made from stainless steel, and windshield molding also made from stainless steel. Grille and bumpers made from aluminum. Hubcaps also from stainless steel. Wipers from stainless steel. Door window frames from aluminum. Rear bumper made out also from aluminum. Gas tank cap from stainless steel and plastic coated with chrome, maybe, I don't know. Mirror holders chromed also. Mirror backside plate from stainless steel. It's a rare triangular window molding from stainless steel. And strangely enough, that these all shining metal parts called as chromed parts. Stainless windshield frame have no sealant function, only as decorative frame. At the factory, windshield frame fixed with special steel clips. Stainless steel not so friendly to black steel when they touch each other, especially. In 60s, front window was fixed with rubber seal, and aluminum molding was also wrapped inside this rubber seal of the front window. Why they go this way with this stainless frame, I don't know. Here even corners different. Upper plate, lower plate, side plate, and two corners. 8 parts, and lot of them differs. So late models from 140 series and even 240 series a lot of times suffer from rust. And this rust creates by touching stainless steel to the body. So now I can't figure out how to fix this frame without clips. Here before me was installed clips like for the frame style from 240 series. I bought this frame also, but I not like it. I want to install this frame, but how to install it, how to fix it, I don't know. So if you have any approach how to fix these windshield moldings, please let me know in the comments. Also drain hole under the window, here we can't find. Maybe it clogged with remnants of sealant. So first models was more utilitarian as always. Volvo not need bells and whistles. Pillar little rusty, but just superficial water not goes through. I restored it, but I think that water goes through. You know, I'm only pretty satisfied with earlier models from 140 series Volvo, but in 70s they starts creating more crappy cars. We have H parts window frame, and which crappiness are pretty self-explanatory. We can put it to the backseat. Maybe sealant can be helpful for installation of this frame. So I don't know why they go to crap in 70s. At least in 60s, Volvo was beautiful car. But always remember that these are just my thoughts and reflections. Of course, you are free to disagree. And for sure, leave me a comment below after the video and let me know what you thought. And you are able to watch my other videos by clicking the link that I listed in the description below. Volvo was better in the 60s, wasn't it? So that was a disgrace that they avoid front window rubber seal. And we should put this total piece of crap to the window. And more than this, it not fits correctly. We can easily confused with frame corners, which differs from each other and not labeled visibly for us. So when we dismantling this frame, we labeling all their parts. So considering all these design improvement in quotes, of course, we can say that back in 1969, hey, they were headed toward great things. And sure enough, they did so. And if any person could agree with me, I'd like to shake him warmly by the hand. Maybe it looks not so crappy from the long distance. So I need to find securing compound or anything. So we need figured something and done our securing stuff. So it's not surprisingly that late model car owners has been plagued with problems. And we never have problems with rubber window seal. Thanks that they save rubber window seal for their rear window. Maybe they don't want lagging from another cars because they like to impress each other. I frankly would expect a better from old 50 years old Volvo, which of course begs the question, why they do that? At least that is not minor stuff, so that doesn't affect running, we can say. So we really don't care about that, and there is no arguing with that. Maybe we have disagreement, but that's okay. But crappiness of design is pretty typical on the late models. Granted that in 60s 140 series was a perfect car, but if we want to be honest, absolutely we can truly say yes, we can admit that some parts in late models are absolutely crappy, but otherwise engine not worse and car works perfectly fine. Door handles crappy absolutely. In 60s they used perfect door handles. I have to say it's a vast improvement over their older models. Door handles are chrome coated. Rear window fits correctly with rubber seal, with molding. But front window windshield fixed in crappy way. This molding's made from stainless steel, it's normal. Side moldings protect your car on the parking of the grocery store. Front fender and hood moldings made from aluminum, also grill from aluminum. Yes, moldings from stainless steel, perfect. Absolutely good for side moldings, but inappropriate as a front window molding. Now I need to figure out how to secure this windshield molding. So any advice will be considered and welcomed. Thanks for your attention.